Good morning, good morning, good morning. In this video is the Craigslist money course, how to post ads on Craigslist for profits. My name is Alex and the course is done, the course is created, and this is how to make money on Craigslist, posting ads on Craigslist for profits. Let's get started with this Craigslist course. So Craigslist with Alex. I've been making money online, or I've been on Craigslist posting ads ever since 2017, and I decided to make this course because a lot of people, they ask me, Alex, how do you post ads on Craigslist? You post an ad on Craigslist to make money. Can you show me exactly what you're doing? So I decided to create a little mini course for you guys to learn how I post ads on Craigslist to make money every single day. So what's inside the Craigslist course, and how can the Craigslist course help you understand how to make money on Craigslist posting ads? So I've been using Craigslist, like I said, ever since 2017 to make money with affiliate-based marketing and CPA marketing. So step one of the course is how to open up your Craigslist accounts the correct way, right? Because there is a correct way that you want to do it in order to have a long-term effect and make long-term money with Craigslist. So I'm going to show you guys how to open up your Craigslist accounts the correct way. I'm going to show you guys how to set up your account to win, because a lot of people, they email me, they text me, they say, Alex, I created Craigslist accounts, my ads are getting flagged, they're getting ghosted, can you show me how to set up my account? In this course, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your account to win, because Craigslist is a long-term game. It's a long-term, right? It's not, okay, I'm going to post 1,000 ads in one day. It's like, no, I want to build up accounts, so in the next 30, 60, 90 days, I have 30, 40 ads running that make me money every single day. So I'm going to also show you the 4 products that sell best on Craigslist and why. So I'm going to show you guys the 4 offers that I promote on Craigslist every single day that make me money, and why these products and services work best inside the demographic of Craigslist. So I'm going to show you guys the 4 products that I promote that make me money every single day on Craigslist posting ads. I'm going to give you 10 done for you headlines, right? The headline is what's going to attract the person the most, because before they read the advertisement inside the description, they obviously have to click on the headline. So if your headline is not catchy enough, if it doesn't pique their interest enough, they're not going to click on the ad and read the more information. So I give you 10 done for you headlines. You simply can copy and paste these headlines, change them up a little bit, and get people to click on your ad to read more information. I'm going to give you 10 done for you body copy ads that work for me, right? So I'm going to give you the body copy, meaning how to copy and paste inside the description for your ads. Now, these are 10 done for you body copies, so you guys can literally copy and paste them, put them inside your ad, change up the wording a little bit, right? So everybody's not using the same ad and doesn't get flagged. But I'll give you 10 done for you body copy ads so you guys can profit by posting ads on Craigslist. I'm going to show you guys how to set up your whole funnel, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to set up. I'm going to show you guys how to set up the ad, how to put either a website link in there, a phone number, or an email so that people can visit your website, text you, or email you, and how to follow up with them and send them to the offers that make you money. So how to follow up with the people that ask you for more information systematically and on complete autopilot. I'm going to show you how to take over your state, because a lot of people, they ask me, they say, Alex, I live in New York City, can I post in California? I live in Michigan, can I post in Florida? Listen, you can take over your state and get lots of good results just from taking over your state, because just because like you might live in a small town, that does not mean there's people on Craigslist that won't click on your ad, that won't click on the ad and do what we tell them to do. So take over your state first, then branch out to different states, because once you understand how to take over your state, then you can go to other states and be more proficient and know what you're doing, instead of just going out there and saying, hey, I live in Chicago, but I want to post in Florida. Craigslist does not like that. So how to post all over the United States. After I show you how to take over your state, I'm going to show you guys how to post all over the United States with this strategic strategy that I have in place, right? If you guys follow this strategy, you guys can live in pretty much any state and post all over the United States within a reasonable time limit. You're not going to start today on Tuesday and post all over the state by next Wednesday. If you build up the Craigslist account, you follow this training, you can post all over your state and branch out to different states that have multiple ads running and make multiple people click on your ad and make you money every single day. I'm going to show you guys how to spy on your competition when it comes to Craigslist, because yes, there is going to be competition from people who are buying this course and other CPA and affiliate marketers, but I'm going to show you guys how to spy on your competition, find out what's working, and simply duplicate what is already working. I'm going to show you guys how to spy on your competition inside the course. Right, I'm going to give you guys even more hidden gems that I use every single day that allow me to profit on Craigslist by simply posting ads on Craigslist to make money. Now, if you guys want this training or you have any questions, there's going to be a button below. Go click the button below to learn more about the training. If you have any questions, email me or text me. I'll be happy to answer these questions about how to post ads on Craigslist. Like I said, there's going to be a button below. Click the button below or email me or text me if you guys want to pick up the course today. It is at a discounted price, so if you guys want the discounted price for this Craigslist course, email me, text me, or click the button below. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.